the best way to use fixative spray on your artwork. Now, most beginners use it the wrong way, which end up damaging their artwork. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the process, the right way to use fixative on your artwork. Let's go. So this is your final work and you would like to spray it with fixative. You don't want it to be cleaning, or you don't want it to get stained by anything. Okay, you don't want it to stain your fingers anytime somebody touches or something. You want to make it permanent with fixative. Now this is the right way to do it. Okay, so anytime you take your fixative, you need to shake it. Okay, you need to shake it very well. So after shaking it, now one mistake people make or beginners make is that anytime they are about to spray it, they take it closer to the artwork. You shouldn't get close to the artwork. Okay, you taking it close to the artwork might cause the spray to be concentrated in certain areas and it might not spread evenly. Do you understand? So you need to raise it up. Don't take it close. Okay, you need to raise it up. It shouldn't be close, it should up. Okay, then you spray it, then take it around. Do you understand? It shouldn't be at one particular area. When you take it to one particular area, it will make the drawing, the spray be concentrated in one particular area, and it might affect the final work. So try as much as possible to raise it up. Don't do it like this. It's too close. You need to bring it up. Okay, then you spray it. As you can see here, it's really concentrated, and that's not the right thing. Make sure you take it up, then you spray it. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips and that. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.